Evaluate sine of negative 5 pi over 12. We're going to do this by using the identity sine squared is equal to 1 minus cosine 2x all over 2. So let's plug in x equals negative pi over 12, or 5 pi over 12. And now we can just multiply the two. So that would be negative 5 pi over 6. The nice thing about cosine is the negative could just disappear and you'll still get the same value. So instead I can evaluate cosine of 5 pi over 6, which this will be negative root 3 over 2. And so two negatives will make it into a positive, so it's 1 plus root 3 over 2, which I can distribute the denominator, so it'll be 1/2 plus root 3 over 4. And if you want to bring this together, that'll be 2 plus root 3 over 4. And so this is sine squared. Now notice, if I'm looking at a graph here, this is 0, this is negative 6 pi over 12, which is the same thing as negative pi over 2. And so negative 5 pi over 12, it's going to be somewhere close to negative 6 pi over 12. So on the unit circle, and notice that the y value here is going to be negative. So when I take the square root of both sides, I want to make sure my value is going to be negative. And now I can bring the 4 outside of the square root and get that negative, or the sine of negative 5 pi over 12 is negative 2, or square root 2 plus root 3 over 2. And that is my final answer.